If Cursor AI is giving you connectivity problems, one of the quickest fixes you can try is switching HTTP Compatibility Mode. In this video, I'll show you exactly where to find the setting and how to change it from HTTP/2 to HTTP/1.1 so you can get back to working without those connection errors. If this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software fixes and step-by-step guides. Let's jump in. First, open Cursor AI and make sure you're on the main app screen. From there, look for your settings menu. Depending on your version, you may need to click the gear icon, open the app menu, or use the keyboard shortcut to get into settings faster. Once the settings panel is open, scroll through the options until you find the network section. This is where Cursor keeps the connection-related settings that control how the app communicates with its servers. In the network area, look for HTTP Compatibility Mode. This is the setting you need to adjust if you're dealing with loading issues, failed connections, or other network-related problems. By default, some users may have HTTP/2 enabled. That mode is usually faster, but it can sometimes cause trouble with certain firewalls, proxies, antivirus tools, or security configurations. If that's happening, switching to HTTP/1.1 can often solve the issue immediately. So go ahead and click the drop-down or toggle next to HTTP Compatibility Mode. Then change it from HTTP/2 to HTTP/1.1. If you see an option that says Disable HTTP/2, that can also achieve the same result depending on how your version of Cursor labels the setting. After you make the change, don't forget to save it if your app asks you to confirm. Some versions apply the change right away, while others may require you to restart Cursor for the new network setting to take effect. If that happens, close the app completely and reopen it so it can reconnect using the updated compatibility mode. Once Cursor restarts, test the connection again and see if the problem is resolved. In many cases, this simple switch is enough to fix annoying connectivity errors and restore normal app performance. If it still isn't working, double-check that the setting really changed to HTTP/1.1 and make sure nothing else on your network is blocking Cursor's access. But for most users, this one adjustment is the key fix. So just to recap, go to Cursor Settings, open Network, find HTTP Compatibility Mode, and switch from HTTP/2 to HTTP/1.1 if you're facing connectivity problems. It's a small change, but it can make a big difference when the app refuses to connect properly. If this video saved you time, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next easy fix. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.